Hello everyone, this is Bike Fan Japan. In this video, I will introduce Nanlite LED light FS-60B and the Fresnel lens and Barndoor set FL-11 used with it. I bought the FS-60B and FL-11 at Yodobashi Camera in Shinjuku. The purchase price was 28,600 Japanese yen for the FS-60B and 9,900 Japanese yen for the FL-11. Now let's unbox Nanlite FS-60B. Let's check the contents of FS-60B. This is a Japanese user manual. This is an English user manual. This is a ball mount adapter. This is a reflector. This is a FS-60B main body. Control panel on the back. A protective cover is attached to the LED. The top side looks like this. The bottom looks like this. There is a USB port on the bottom. It looks like you can update the firmware. Remove the protective cover. This is a power cable. It is 3 meters long. There are the contents of Nanlite FS-60B. Next, I will unbox FL-11, a Fresnel lens and Barndoor set that can be attached to the FS-60B. Let's check the contents of FL-11. This is a pouch. There is something inside. Inside the pouch was Fresnel lens. The irradiation angle can be changed within the range of 45 degrees to 10 degrees. This is the Barndoor. English user manual. This is the contents of FL-11. Next, let's set up the FS-60B. Attach the power cable. Turn on the power. The LED has emitted light. Let's try changing the color temperature. Let's try changing the light intensity. You can turn the light intensity on and off by clicking the button. Press the mode button to select the 3 modes. In effect mode, you can try out various lighting patterns. Let's set the light intensity to 100%. It is very bright when set to 100% light intensity. I will try to take a picture of the light emitting part directly. This is 1% light intensity. I will try installing the reflector. I will try installing the ball mount adapter. Next, try installing the Fresnel lens and Barndoor. Let's try changing the irradiation angle. Next, install the Barndoor. The Barndoor is placed over the Fresnel lens. It turned out really good. By changing the angle of the Barndoor, you can adjust the irradiation range. Check the changes in light intensity and color temperature. First, let's change the light intensity from 0% to 100%. Next, try changing the color temperature from 2700K to 6500K. I try installing a reflector. Next, attach the Fresnel lens. This is 45 degrees. It looks like this when set to 10 degrees. This is what the comparison looks like. The 10 degrees Fresnel lens provides the brightest irradiation. Next, I will try installing the Barndoor. When the Barndoor is closed, no light leaks through. Barndoor allows you to adjust the area that the light hits. Narrow the angle of the Fresnel lens. Next, I will compare my conventional lighting and the lighting using FS-60B. First of all, this is conventional lighting. Attach a Fresnel lens and Barndoor to FS-60B and shine strong sunlight light from the side. Turn off some LED lights. This is what the comparison looks like. I think the combination of the FS-60B, Fresnel lens, and Barndoor resulted in sharp and cool lighting. By the way, the DIM of FS-60B is 60%. Let's try changing the light intensity of FS-60B from 0% to 100%. Next, let's change the color temperature. A color temperature of 2700K provides evening-like lighting. Try turning off the blue and orange lights. The lighting is cool. This is what happens when lighting only with FS-60B. This is really cool lighting. Check how the lighting changes by changing the option installed on the FS-60B. This is what it looks like when you remove the Fresnel lens and use only the light. This is what happens when you attach a reflector. This is what it looks like when using a Fresnel lens with an irradiation angle of 45 degrees. This is what it looks like with a 45 degrees irradiation angle and a Barndoor. This is what it looks like when the irradiation angle is 10 degrees. This is what it looks like with an irradiation angle of 10 degrees and a Barndoor. The comparison will look something like this. I will test lighting using a diffusion paper. Remove a Fresnel lens and attach a reflector. The diffusion paper will reduce the light intensity, so increase the DIM of the light. The lighting has become softer. This is what the comparison looks like. Lastly, I would like to introduce a sample shot at 120 fps using the FS-60B's simple lamp lighting. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Please also subscribe to my socials.